Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to fix WhatsApp call not working problem or WhatsApp video call not working problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your phone setting, scroll down, tap on apps, tap on manage apps, search WhatsApp application, tap on WhatsApp application, tap on storage, again tap on clear data, tap on clear cache data. Step 2. Open Play Store and update your WhatsApp application latest version. Step 3. Again open your phone setting, tap on Wi-Fi, check your internet or Wi-Fi connection properly. Step 4. Restart your device. Step 5. Again open your WhatsApp application, select any WhatsApp friend and call this friend. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.